Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Sidewinder Shed. Yeah, yesterday I was looking at the porch, and I need to restain it, seal it, and everything. And so I started with the railings, but then I got rained out, and yeah, so I moved back into the shed and started cleaning up the actual shed itself a little bit. Again, didn't make a whole lot of progress, but I made some. At least you can walk in here a little bit. Starting to get some of the stuff cleaned up, and trying to clean off some of the benches, some of the stuff on top of the benches. So I just threw together another quick little shelf to put some of my containers, boxes. This is all automotive under here. And yeah, then made another quick little shelf. That door, I hardly ever use that door for the man room. That one usually stays shut. You know, it's a double door. It actually, you know, does work, and it is a double door, but I don't use it too much, so I figured that'd be a nice little place to put these unopened boxes of screws, nuts, bolts, and stuff. And right now I got some wires in there. But yeah, just doing a few little just puttering around, basically. Oh yeah, and there happened to be a whole bunch of free beer hanging around, so we had to get rid of those too. I had help with that. But yeah, other than that, you know, just after transmission fiasco with the truck, swapping out the rear end on the Jeep. Yesterday, yeah, I just was kind of piddling around. That's all. And got the lawn mowed. And yeah, I gotta finish up the fence. You know, weather's getting nice, so I gotta get those two sections to finish up the fence and sand down that section and seal it. And took the top off the pool. Gotta get the pool set up. The weather's getting that way. So a bunch of little projects to do. I still have to fix the roof on the porch as well. Fix that leak. And finish up the trim on the porch. But yeah, clean down the side. The sun really hits this side of the house a lot. Right now I'm in shade, but it's Christ, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning, so the sun's not fully up yet. But especially in the wintertime, the sun comes right in on this side a whole lot. But anyway, just wanted to put something out there, give you all just a quick idea of, you know, life gets in the way of everything. And so yeah, just got some projects that I've been doing. Anyway, you all take care, and I appreciate you all subscribing. I really do. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the next one. You all take care.